Litigants and petitioners in the 2022 presidential election petition will have to restructure and tighten their submissions to fully prosecute their cases and convince Supreme Court judges given the limited time. Except for Raila Odinga, Martha Karua, William Ruto, Rigathi Gachagua, who are listed as first petitioners and respondents allocated 3 hours each, all other parties will have 13 minutes to argue their cases. As Duncan Haemba reports, social distance and other COVID-19 health protocols have dealt the learned friends a major blow in terms of legal representation.
In just one go, the Supreme Court demolished the mountain of advocates who had lined up to take part in the presidential election petition and flattened the legal ground by significantly reducing the number of litigants who will appear for various parties. Azimio's Raila Odinga and Martha Karua, listed as first petitioners, will mount a 5-man legal war chest with the Siaya Governor Senior Counsel James Orengo leading, Senior Counsel Philip Murgor, Paul Mwengi, Jackson Awele and Velma Maumo. UDA's William Ruto and Rigathi Gachagua, whose election victory is being challenged, are listed as first respondents, and their defense team will be led by Fred Ngatia, Professor Kithure Kindiki, Kioko Kilukumi and Katwa Kigen, whose defense will determine whether they will be sworn in or their victory overturned. Professor Githu Muigai and Kamau Karori will represent the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC. The commission's chairman, Wafula Chebukati, who Raila Odinga and Martha Karua want declared unfit to hold public office, has again enlisted former Attorney General Githu Muigai and Eric Gumbo. Apollo Mboya will represent IEBC Vice Chair Juliana Cherera, and Jotham Arwa will represent Commissioner Justus Nyang'aya. Jeremy Njenga will represent Francis Wanderi as Gordon Ogola steps in for Commissioner Irene Masit. George Oraro will be appearing for Attorney General Paul Kihara Kariuki. Other petitioners and respondents will have either 1 or 2 lawyers at most. And with that, it's now all systems go for a titanic legal battle yet again, a battle of political wits and an avalanche of legal jargon. Duncan Haemba, NTV, Nairobi.